Welcome to eWebGuru. Today we will see how can you join eWebGuru's affiliate program. To join, open ewebguru.com and click on affiliate program link in footer. Here you will get all information regarding affiliate program. Our affiliate program do not need any registration fees. It's free to join. You can earn good money. Now click on sign up. Here this form will be open. You have to fill out this form properly and please enter valid information. You can enter username, password, your email ID, your phone number, and then you have to select payment method. You can select NEFT or PayPal. You have two options. Here you will get all terms and conditions of affiliate program. You can read it and then you have to accept it. Please solve this challenge and then click on create my account button. Congratulations, your account is successfully created. Now ewebguru.com team will review it. After approval, you can use your affiliate account. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and please click on bell icon.